Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this HK416D. We're actually going to be testing two HK416Ds. So a brace, identical guns, so identical builds, both DMR builds, and we're just going to be testing these to demonstrate them working. So we'll start with the left gun. So this one is build wise is the Warhead base motor 35k, the Prometheus gold bar kit for the stock conversion at the back here to make it easy to attach batteries. And I'll just demonstrate that one to you. So obviously you can see it there. So once you put the bar kit, it just moves it over to a nice simple connection that you can just attach. And in this particular gun, it's quite a large battery pack, because it's 2600 in that one, so it's quite big. So it's a pretty easy fit. We've got Prometheus Selector Plate, Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus 6mm bearings. We've got the Psionic R Hop. There's the FPS Cylinder Head, FPS Tappet Plate, FPS Spring Guide, FPS Piston Head, FPS Piston. We've got the EagleSix M140 spring, the EagleSix upgrade spring. We've got Prometheus 20-to-1 gears in this one, 18-to-1 in the other ones. Unfortunately, we didn't have the 20-to-1 sets for both. We're a little short on gears at the moment until the next delivery. We've got the Gate Titan basic in there, and we've got the Prometheus 275mm barrel, and that's the same for both guns, both identical. And we just want to demonstrate them working now. I'm even going to put a mag in it. So these ones are locked to DMR for UK rules, but yeah, and they're 370 on 3.2s, so well up there. Recommended ammo for obviously any DMR is always treat it as if it's a sniper and use the heaviest ammo possible, so we recommend 4.3s. So I'm just going to use the same battery here as on the other gun. These bar kits are available ready off the website. You can just order them and plug them in. So that basically all just folds over, and then you just pop the thing on, but I'll leave that. As with all airsoft guns, it's always a little fiddly getting the batteries in. Time consuming. There you go. So both guns functionally working. Obviously amazing spec on both, and both identical, and we hope you have fun with the pair. So thank you.